Today I am going to cover how to use Kajabi course in Migrator. First go to sub account of Go High Level and click on memberships. Once you click on memberships, at the top you are going to go courses, then click products. We are then going to click top right blue button that says create a product. Just hover it, it will show start from scratch and import from Kajabi. Once you click on import from Kajabi, you are going to see 3 steps. Step 1 is use the email to create a learner profile within the Kajabi platform. Step 2, you are going to grant learner access to courses you plan to import. Step 3, you are going to enter your learner credential and Kajabi domain, then click import. Once you have done that, you are going to see that it is going to try to log into Kajabi. If for some reason you are not getting in, you can just click here to refresh the status. Next, you are going to see that your course is being imported. In this particular instance, you can see 1 out of 29 is completed. Again, you can click to refresh the status, or you can also close the window and relax while migration is running. Once the migration is complete, at the very top right, you will see the green status update that says the last status completed. You may receive authentication error for some reason, 401 error. Usually this is because there is an issue with domain credential. They could be incorrect. To resolve this, carefully verify the credential. Again and ensure that they are correct before initiating the import process. If for some reason you receive a course import failed error, and then there are a couple of things that could have gone wrong. These are the possible reason for an import failure. It could be incorrect theme. Ensure that you have selected correct theme. You could also have a credential verification. Double check the accuracy of the provided credential. It could be a valid domain. You want to confirm that the provided domain is compatible with the login path. For example, domain name /login should lead to the login page. You can also see a retry option. If the import fails, the user can click on retry to resume the process where it left off. And lastly, cancellation clarification. If a user cancels the import, it will be considered as cancelled by the user, and new imports will start from the beginning. This is the way you can use Kajabi Course Migrator. I hope this video will be helpful. Thanks.